It is snowing outside. Why did I think that spring was actually coming soon this year? Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. When this video goes up, the first day of spring will have passed. So happy spring, you guys. It is snowing today in Chicago, but that is not gonna stop me from starting the bedroom makeover. I have been so excited for this makeover because the bedroom arguably is probably the most important room to make over. It's where you wind down at the end of the night, and my bed is literally one of my favorite places in the world. So we're gonna make it extra cozy in here. And I'm super excited because there is so much potential in here. We're gonna get new furniture, we're gonna swatch some paint samples, and we're also gonna do a little bit of shopping and thrifting. So there's a lot to do, and I have so many different ideas, but I definitely need you guys to weigh in. So we're gonna go over some of those options today. But first, let me show you guys an overview and how it's looking right now, and then we're gonna go into the mood board. Welcome to the primary bedroom. We are very lucky to have a primary suite because right when you walk in, there's a bathroom and also the closet. And this behind me is the main bedroom area, which is not very big at all. We can fit 2 nightstands, a queen bed, and then a TV console, which is right behind you guys. So luckily, this actually fits perfectly right here. When we moved in, I thought this was gonna be too tight of a squeeze, but as you can see, we have plenty of walking room. We got this console secondhand, we moved it with us, and we're hoping to put it somewhere, but just not in the bedroom because as you can see, all the wires are exposed and there is really no storage, and this bedroom black storage, so I definitely want to put something new here. So this is the current layout, and something that I'm really struggling with are these little nooks. These drive me crazy. Like, I kind of wish that they would just have these come out and it just be a straight wall. So I feel like there might be an opportunity to do something here, but we'll see after we get in all of the furniture to make sure everything fits. Like, this might be a good opportunity to add shelves, but I'm really not sure because it is a little bit of a tight squeeze over here, so we'll see. Currently the bed is on the floor, but that is going to change very soon. Even though I kind of like this vibe, I love like a low platform bed, but that is not what we're going for here. We're also very lucky to have floor to ceiling windows, so this bedroom is definitely on the smaller side, but there is so much potential in here. As always, I just wanted to feel cozy and comfy in here, especially in the bedroom, because I'm really only here at nighttime to read or watch TV, and it's where I unwind. So I just want it to be very zen. I have some ideas that are totally going to transform this space. I am ready to clear everything out, take out all the furniture, start off with a blank slate, and start this makeover. Okay, let's get into this mood board. Is anyone surprised by my color palette? Look, at this point, you guys probably know what I like. I certainly know what I like when it comes to the bedroom, and brown and green are basically my comfort colors. It's very earthy, very warm, very cozy, and I'm very open to playing with colors in other rooms in the house, but for the bedroom, these are my comfort colors. I definitely want to bring in some Asian influences so you guys see the rice paper lanterns, and maybe we'll do some type of panel artwork. That is definitely something that I want to DIY, and this room is pretty small from what you guys saw, but I think once we fill out the room, we'll figure out what we can fit in there and what would actually make sense in those nooks. I am so excited to get this started. All I really want is a zen bedroom because as you guys saw, the bed is on the floor right now, which is not ideal, but I have confidence that we can make this come to life. We definitely have our work cut out for us, so let's get started on the makeover.
The moment we've been waiting for. No more, and no more this.
That is the worst part. So low, and then it's so hard to get up in the morning.
New furniture, baby!
right, it is time to get some furniture in here. We're gonna start with the bed because I have been missing a bed frame forever. The new bed frame is gonna be so good. We got a bunch of pieces from Castlery, who is sponsoring today's video. You guys already know I love Castlery. We've had Castlery pieces for years in multiple homes, and I'm so happy to be partnering with them once again. I have been dreaming about this bed frame, so let's bring her in. Look at this, you guys. Castlery is a modern furniture company that creates a story for every room in your home. They aim to make luxury living accessible. I am truly such a fan of Castlery. Every single time they come out with a new collection, I am wowed. I've had both their indoor and outdoor furniture for years, and the quality is just so good. And whenever friends or family ask me for furniture recommendations, Castlery is always the first place that I tell them to look. So this beauty is the Rochelle Boucle bed. The curved shape on it is everything. It's made with the performance boucle, which is water resistant, making it easy to clean in case you have any accidents. I've had their bar stools with the same fabric. It holds up really good and wipes super easy. So not only is it super chic, but it's also very practical, and I love the little wood leg detailing at the end. On both sides of the bed, I went with the Joseph nightstands. These just scream Japandi to me. There is plenty of storage, which I'm really excited about. I am tired of having open shelves for nightstands, so this is all closed storage. It is very sleek, and it's going to perfectly complement the new headboard. Is this not the most gorgeous dresser ever? I feel like this is such a standout, unique piece, and I'm so glad it fits perfectly in this little nook. So this is the crescent dresser, and if you like this style, they also have a nightstand version with 1 drawer or 2 drawers. I fell in love with this piece as soon as it came out. One of my favorite creators has it in their living room, and now that I have it in my bedroom, I think it looks even better than the product photos. The tone, the burl wood, the curves, everything is just so good. There are 6 drawers, so we have plenty of storage, and then I love that there's this open shelving moment so you can display stuff, so it is functional but also beautiful. This really complements the curves on the bed, and I'm so glad that I got the dresser version of this and then went with the Joseph nightstands just to have a little bit of variation between all the curves that are going on. This room is really starting to take shape. I feel like these are the most perfect base pieces. If you like any of these pieces and want to check out more from Castlery, I will have all the pieces linked down below. I seriously cannot recommend them enough to you guys. I've also put my friends and family onto Castlery, and they love their pieces, so I know that you guys will love them as well. Thank you again, Castlery, for sponsoring this video. I am so excited to finish this makeover so that all of these pieces can really shine. It is time to sample some paint. So when I was planning this makeover, I found myself pinning a lot of brown bedrooms, which I told myself I was not gonna go moody in this apartment, but I can't help myself. So I have a bunch of brown paint samples here. I have a light brown, a warm brown, and then a darker brown. So I'm actually gonna swatch these onto some paper just so that I can move it around the room and see how I like it. Especially with the new furniture pieces, I wanna be able to hold the paint swatch right up against it so then I can pick the right one, and I need your help in choosing. So let's swatch these, and you guys can let me know your opinion on them. Okay, we're putting them over the bed, and paint is probably one of the most important, crucial decisions that you can make for any makeover. So let me know what you guys think. Gonna go from lightest to darkest. So this one is called Baked Sienna. It is a little bit more warmer on a mid-tone brown. It looks beautiful. The paint job between these two definitely look different, but now that I painted them on, it looks very, very similar, except for this one is like a little bit cooler toned. And now I can't decide which one I like better. This one is called Wild Mustang, and we used it in our previous bedroom. It was a lot warmer in that bedroom, so here it's looking very cool. Now that the sun is lower, I feel like it really is affecting these colors. So I will show you guys what it looks like in the daytime and then in the evening like this. And then we have our last color, which is called Brown Velvet. This is definitely the deepest brown of the three. I always love like a rich, deep, chocolatey brown color. And I don't know, guys, I feel like this one might be speaking to me. Let me know what you guys think. Number 1, 2, or 3. I'm gonna give myself like a week before I decide, so let me know your thoughts. So since moving to the city, we have been going through so many different neighborhoods, and I have been bookmarking so many different shops, and today we are going to shop for the bedroom. So today we are at Warehouse 55. They have some vintage items, and I'm hoping to find something good. I really want to find some items to fit into the new dresser, and also some items for the nightstand, because we have such a big nightstand now that I can actually fit a bunch of items. So fingers crossed we find something good. Also, can we just talk about how terrible it is driving in the city and finding parking? This is a struggle. You guys, I found a screen. 118 for this. Also, sorry for Fleetwood in the background, but oh my god, is this my sign to get it? Oh my god. I think this has to come home with me. I'm back from shopping, so let's do a little haul. So you guys saw that I found this at Warehouse 55. I totally was not expecting it. When I saw this, I just thought it was a beautiful piece, but I fully expected it to be very expensive because some of those boots were a little bit more on the pricier side. Each section is ran by a different vendor, and the prices definitely varied. You could tell that some people were pricing things a little bit higher, some people priced things pretty fairly. I honestly could not believe the price on this, so let's open her up because I feel like it's gonna look even more beautiful in this lighting than it did in the store. Here she is. Look at all of these beautiful colors, and the flowers on here are little cherry blossoms. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. If you guys have been following along, you know that I've been looking for one of these forever. I've been looking on Facebook Marketplace. A lot of them are like ginormous and very pricey. I would occasionally find some that were a little bit cheaper, but I didn't really fall in love with the artwork. But this, I love it. Like, the flowers on here are beautiful. I love the two little red birds. So I'm currently deciding if I'm going to put this above the bed or not, because I actually had a different DIY in mind for it, but since I found this, I might have to hang it up. After that, I quickly went into HomeGoods. I really needed some pillows just because I want that like hotel pillow feel, and we only have 2 pillows right now, so got 2 of these. And I love going to HomeGoods because they are very affordable. This 2-pack was only like $20, and these are really nice pillows as well. So I went there for pillows, but I could not help myself. I looked at their home decor section, obviously. So I got this beautiful terracotta vase. This is such a good size, and I love the color of it. It was $25. And then I found this bowl. I have no idea what it's made of, but I loved all of the tones in it. It actually has like a crack right here, so I asked the girl for a discount and she gave me $5 off. So never be afraid to ask for discounts. Like, I I honestly would have just bought it as is because you can barely even see the crack, but I thought I would just ask and it saved me $5. And the last little thing I got was this travertine candle holder. I love the shape of it. It's gonna match the travertine tray that I got a couple of weeks ago, and I'm excited to style all these pieces. The room is very far from finished, but I just can't help myself. I need to style just to kind of envision what the space could look like, and if I'm missing any pieces, I can go out and grab them. Okay, let's style. It's looking pretty good in here, you guys, but this is just the start of the bedroom makeover. I've also been moving the paint swatches around the room just to see how it looks, but let me know what you guys think. 1, 2, or 3. I thought I knew which one I was gonna go with, but I still cannot decide, so let me know which one you guys think. You guys will see next week which one we choose. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe down below so that you don't miss out on the final reveal. And if you want to see more from me and get some behind the scenes, you can follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. That is it for me today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay inspired, and I will see you in the next one.